Hi, I'm Zoe Belabachansky on the Woody Woodpecker channel, narrating the story, the toy version story of Peter and the Wolf. I'm just gonna stick to the music right over there because we get request timeout. And oh my gosh, this is a music error. Alright, we got some technical difficulties, but we nailed it. Okay, now our story begins. Early one morning, Peter opened the gate like this and went out into the great green meadow. Strolling along the path, and he spins on a beautiful day. Now on a branch of a big tree sat a little bird, Peter's friend. Almost quiet, chirped the bird gaily. His wings is so fluttery. Yes, the bird and Peter are happy friends. Now what's next until we meet? Stay tuned for part 3.